Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what to do if your WhatsApp gets hacked? Hackers often trick users by sending malicious links or stealing OTPs to take over accounts. But don't worry. I'll guide you step by step on how to recover your hacked WhatsApp account and protect it from future attacks. Let's get started. How hackers attack hackers usually gain access by 1. Sending fake OTP requests. 2. Tricking you into clicking suspicious links. 3. Using social engineering to get your personal details. So always enable two-step verification and never share your OTP or click on links from unknown sources. What to do if your account is hacked? If you are logged out and can't access your WhatsApp, follow these steps immediately. Step 1. Alert your contacts. Inform your friends and family not to share any OTPs or send money if they receive suspicious messages from your number. Ask them to spread the word so no one falls for the scam. Step 2. Contact WhatsApp support. Open WhatsApp and try logging in. On the OTP screen, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Click Help, WhatsApp Messenger, Contact Us. Fill in the details and submit your request. WhatsApp will send you an email with a query number. Reply to that email stating, "My WhatsApp account linked to your phone number has been stolen, hacked. Please delete or deactivate it." Your account will then be deactivated. Step 3. Get a new SIM instead of blocking it. Do not block your SIM. Instead, get a new SIM card with the same number from your nearest store for around 50 rupees. Once you get the new SIM, try logging in again to recover your account. Step 4. Report the crime. File a complaint on the Cybercrime portal. This helps authorities track down hackers and prevent further scams. And that's it. These steps will help you secure your account and get back control. Remember? 1. Never share OTPs. Enable two-step verification. 3. Stay cautious of unknown links and messages.